Hadith number 1. Intention. Umar ibn al-Khattab reported, the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessing be upon him, said, إنما الأعمال بالنيات وإنما لامرئ ما نوى فمن كانت هجرته إلى الله ورسوله فهجرته إلى الله ورسوله ومن كانت هجرته لدنيا يصيبها أو امرأة يتزوجها فهجرته إلى ما هاجر إليه. Verily, deeds are only with intention. Verily, every person deeds are only with intentions. Verily, every person will have only what they indeed. So, however, immigrated to Allah and His Messenger, then his immigration is for Allah and His Messenger. However, immigrated to get something in the world or to marry a woman, then his immigration is for whatever he created for. Sahih Bukhari 54. Great Mustafa Qayyum Ilahi. Hadith number 2. Foundation of the Sunnah. Umar ibn al-Khattab reported, we were sitting with the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessing be upon him, and one day when a man appeared with very white clothes and very black hair, there were no sign of travel on him, and we did not recognize him. He sat down in front of the Prophet and rested his knees by his knees and placed his hand on his thighs. The man said, O Muhammad, tell me about Islam. The Prophet said, Ilal Islam and tashahada an la ilaha illahu wa anna Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. وتقيم الصلاة وتؤتي زكاة وتصوم رمضان وتحج بيت استطعت إليه سبيلا. Islam is to witness that there is no God but Allah and Muhammad is the messenger of Allah, to establish prayer, to give the alms, the fast of month of Ramzan, and to perform pilgrimage to the house if he is capable of travel. Hadith number 3. Pillar of Islam. Ibn Umar reported, the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessing be upon him, said, Bani al-Islam ala khamisin ala an yubad Allahi wa yakfura bima dunaha wa ikama salati wa ita'i zakati wa hajjal bayati wa som Ramzan. Islam is built upon 5: to worship Allah and to disbelieve in what is worshipped beside Him, to establish prayer, to give charity, to perform Hajj, pilgrimage to the house, and to fast the month of Ramadan. Source Sahih al-Bukhari 8. Great Mustafa Qayyum Ilahi.